How to claim the Remitly in Gcash. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's guide you through the step on how to claim your Remitly transfer in Gcash. So first and foremost, open your Remitly application. Once inside, tap the country option and set it to Philippines to enable transactions for Gcash. For that, search for Philippines and tap on it. This should refresh the page. Now that you do so, tap on the Get Started button from the home page. Or you can tap on the Send option directly. Tapping on it should take you to another page whereby you will see two options. First, you will have to select the delivery method. To select on the delivery method, tap on the drop down and you can choose any option of your choice. It is preferred to choose mobile money for the Gcash. Now that you do so, tap on the other option of payment and select on Gcash. Enter the details of the receiver carefully, type in first name, middle name, last name, and once all the details are filled, tap on continue to proceed. You will now need to confirm the payment. Check all the information to ensure accuracy, including the transaction fee. After confirmation, the money will be sent to the Gcash account of receiver. So once that is done, inform the receiver they can open the Gcash app to confirm the transfer and claim the funds. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.